Next. Now it's installing WordPress. Now this process might take a few minutes, and they have a really cool game here we can play while we're waiting for WordPress to install. How about that? Oh, I lost. Next, it'll ask us a few more questions. Now this page may change in the future. Hostinger typically changes their setup process a lot, but I just want to click on Go to WordPress here at the bottom. So I'll click on Go to WordPress. And voila, we are now logged into our WordPress website. Now, if you want to see your website right now, here at the top left, I'll click on Visit Sites. And this is our new website. It is using a temporary domain name because it's pending verification. So let's go back to the dashboard. Now, before we go on any further, we need to verify our Hostinger account along with our domain. As you see here at the top, we're using a temporary domain name, and that's because we need to verify our domain. So go ahead and check your email, the one that you signed up for with Hostinger, and you're gonna see two emails. You'll see one to verify your Hostinger accounts and also one to verify your domain name. So here I'll click on these emails and then I'll click on verify email. Okay, cool. So now it brings us to our Hostinger dashboard. Now let's go back and check our email again, and I'll click on the other email to verify our domain. And then I'll just click on verify email. Cool, now our email is verified. Now it's very important that you verify your email because if you don't verify it within 30 days, they're gonna refund you and then close your account. So make sure that you do verify your email. Next, let me show you how to log into your live website so you can start building your websites. Now there's two ways on how to do this. The first way is you can actually just type in your domain name. So the one that you purchased, so mine was oriontutorial.com. Then you'll just type in -wp-admin and this will bring you to the login screen. So here I'll enter that. And then here you can see that we're brought to our login screen. Now this is going to be the login credentials that you use when you sign up with WordPress. So here I'll enter in my email address. I'll click on the remember me box and then I'll click on login. So now we're using our live domain that we purchased from Hostinger. So if I go to visit sites, you're gonna see our website is now live on the internet. Now let's say for example, you forgot your password or you don't know your WordPress credentials, no problem, you can always log in through Hostinger. I'll go over to our Hostinger accounts. If I go to websites, and go to all websites, you're gonna see that your website's right here under your business package. You'll then just click on WP admin, and here you can log in directly through your WordPress website without entering any credentials. And there we go. So now we are logged in directly to our website using the Hostinger H panel. Now, before we go on any further, I do wanna adjust some settings and I also want to disable some plugins. The first thing I wanna do is go over here to plugins and click on install plugins. Now these plugins are automatically installed when you install a fresh installation of